Hello there, Rajni. So, I keep on saying all the time that don't teach concepts on the whiteboard and the marker and the copy and the pen. Child won't learn. Yeah? So, parents will then ask me, how do you teach? What to do? Now, in this video, I'm not going to be doing any theory. Rather, this is from one of my classes where you will see a practical approach. We have taken two very different concepts. Idea of doing two very different concepts. One is an EVS concept, sight reading, eyes, nose, ears, etc. One is a math concept, adding 2 to a given number. Just so that you get to see how you are going to use manipulatives. Also, you will use your own ideas like this. But you have to do it very hands-on, very multi-sensorial, money touch and feel kind of a thing. Okay, use bright, manipulatives. Manipulatives means things so that the child is interested and the child learns fast. Once the child has learned, after that you will shift to copy and pencil. That you will write the sum, but first you will give a mental picture by doing activities. What follows from here is a demonstration of how you do all of this. Watch. Nose, yes please, fix. Take this also, nose. Now pick up where is nose written. Nose, N-O-S-E, nose. What is this? What did you pick up? What is it? Nose. Can you read it? Can you read it? Read this. S-E. Was that? Nose. Can you fix it with the nose, please? Fix it with the nose, please. Thank you. Super good. Now, pick up ears. Pick up ears. Yes. Okay. Fix. He likes Montessori hands-on activities. Yeah. Ears. Now, where is ear? Ear. Ear. Excellent. Very good. That is ear. What are we doing? Sense organs. Show me sense organs. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Yes. Okay. Now, show me where is mix match. Okay. Where is tongue? Tongue. Yes, please. Fix. He likes that nonsense. Okay, tongue. Where is tongue written? Tongue. Where is tongue written? T-O-N-G-U-E. Fix it. Okay, let's do this drumming. T-O-N-G-U-E. Say. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U. I know you are happy. Can you tell me which one out of the two is tongue? Tongue. Which is tongue? Tongue. Thank you so much. Please put it. Yes, sir. All right. Now, show me. Skin. I said skin. Yes, please. That is why I put it, because then he doesn't have a choice. Now. So then he's anyway going to do the right one. Okay. Okay, that is okay. Skin. Where is skin written? Skin. Thank you so much. Can you please fix it? Skin. Fix. Skin. Yes. Okay. So we had a little break. So let's do this one more time. Look now. Look. Count. Count. 1, 2, 5. Correct. And 5 and look. 2 more. Now count. 5. 2 more in your fingers. 5, 6, 7. And can you now show me in your fingers? Can you now show me in your fingers? So you go 5 in your head and 2 in the fingers. Count 5 and count ahead. Yeah. Count ahead. 6. Yes, please. Can you write it down?
Write 7. Come on.
So you see, ladies and gentlemen, this is how when you introduce a concept to a child on the spectrum, automatically the chances of giving you a behavior are reduced many times, because the child is now not interested in giving a tantrum and running away. Activity is interesting. The child is more interested in sitting there and doing it. What have we done? We have made learning playful and fun for the child, so that the child is learning effortlessly, staying away from behaviors. Yeah. So in the comment section below, write down any of such like strategies or anything new that you have tried, so that one's learning benefits others also. Also, please write down in the comments if there is any specific thing that you want, any specific academic concept that you want me to give a demo of, and I shall upload that for the good of one and all. Yeah. So, if you want to learn specific techniques regarding autism, please feel free to join us on our Tuesday live, Instagram, YouTube English, YouTube Hindi, 7 to 7:30 p.m. This is a free service. Links are given in the description box below, and the Autism Masterclass, which is 7 to 9:30 p.m. every Thursday or Friday. Link again shall be given in the description box. And come on in, join us, learn, and take your child further on.